webinar entitled Cultural Voices Live. Today, we will explore the lives and legacies of our Gawad sa Manilikan ng Bayan awardees, or known as GAMABA, who are considered national living treasures. They are masters of traditional arts, oral literature, and crafts that shape our Filipino identity.
As grade 11 students, we recognize the importance of preserving their cultural traditions. In this session, we will learn more about selected Gamaba awardees, their artistic works, and their contributions to our cultural heritage. We encourage everyone to listen, reflect, and participate.
Before we begin, I would like to introduce our three speakers. Ms. Abigail Julia, Ms. Teresa Cargas, and Ms. May Alman. Let's all give them a warm round of applause. Now, let's begin with speaker 1 to end with speaker number 3. Let us begin with Langbalan, a master weaver from Lake Cebu. She is known for preserving the art of Finalak weaving, which uses abaca fibers and reflects the dreams and imagination of Tribali people. Her contribution is not only artistic, but also literary, as each woven pattern tells a story and represents their tradition.
Dinalak na nagmula sa panaginip, dinalak hinabi ng ninuno natin, dinalak sangkapay nagmula sa kalikasan, pahalagahan kanya ang kaganda.
Next is Enrico Capilquiano, an 18th chapter from Panama. He has memorized and received ancient epics such as Madugnon and Nabokuna, passing down to younger generations. His work shows how oral literature, careers, values, history, and identity that continue to inspire us today.
Lastly, Magdalena Gamaya from Ilocos Norte, who is an expert in abil weaving. She creates intricate designs like pinakol and casikos, which are deeply tied to Filipino creativity and heritage. Her craft shows how literature and arts are connected to symbols, traditions, and stories.
Aakalain mo bang ang mga disenyong ito ay gawa ni Lola Magdalena? Sa kanyang edad na 99 anyos, aba, kayang-kaya pang maghabi.
Thank you to our speakers.
Wow! I realized that waving is not just making a cloth, but also the way of telling a story.
Yes, enchanting antics like Holodaphton is like preserving our ancestors' voices.
Inspired by how Gamaba Award used art to protect our identity. It makes me want to do my part in preserving tradition.
I learned that preserving our tradition is not only the responsibility of artists, but also of students who can continue their legacy.
Thank you, participants. Thank you for your reflections. Does anyone have a question for our speakers? Okay. Can you please stand up, sir? What's your name?
My name is Loris Andrubi Bagaipo, and I like to ask, how can we as students help keep this tradition alive?
Great question. We can help by learning about this art form, sharing with others, and respecting cultures behind them.
Before we officially close, allow us to share how this project connects to our four subjects.
For Core 01 Oral Communication, we showcase our skills in public speaking by delivering this webinar, taking on roles as hosts, speakers, and participants.
For Core 012 Contemporary Philippine Arts, we created an e-brochure that highlights the artistic works of our chosen Gamaba awardees and how their crafts relate. 012 Contemporary Philippine Arts, we created an e-brochure that highlights the artistic works of our chosen Gamaba awardees and how their craft reflect Filipino culture and traditions.
For Core 011 21st Century Literature, we reflected on the literary value of quivering, patterns, epic chanting, and oral storytelling, showing how these traditions are connected to Philippine literature
And for UP 001, we applied empowerment technologies. We built a digital portfolio or website where all outputs, our webinar, e-brochure, reflections, and group efforts are complied for easy access and presentation.
Through this integration, we learn not only about the Gamaba awardees, but also about teamwork, communication, and the importance of preserving our heritage in modern ways.
Once again, we are Grade 11 Class 04 Group 1, and we thank you for being part of our journey in Cultural Voices Live. Mabuhay ang kulturang Pilipino!